All right, I think I got everything. Got my banana. Let me see here. Grab some chapstick, I guess. Oh, I think somebody's coming through. Yep, it's another log truck. Well, good morning, guys. Headed in to work this morning, and it's cloudy, overcast. Not very busy. Morning. Coming into work and run a load of sawdust, maybe a load of lumber. So anyway, I'll hit you back here in just a bit. See ya. All right, let's see if we can get up here a little bit. Coming on down out of the trailer, walking on out. All right, there's your video for the day. Trying to get out of here. Parking lot. See what we can see here. See if there's anything worth looking at. They're working on the scales. Decent. Somebody talking on the radio. Oh, here we go. We got a JB Hunt over in the corner. Don't look too shabby. Looks good, looks good. Rolling through the parking lot. There's a new Freightliner. Yeah. Not a whole lot to look at here. Old school classic, freight shaker. Alright, well, let's get on the road. We'll see you in a bit. Alright, so it's the end of the day. We got 2 loads in, 2 loads of sawdust. And I'm actually fixing to head over to a gym. A new gym that I'm gonna sign up and start working out and start losing some weight, because I need to really bad. I'd like to lose about 50 pounds, 60 pounds is what I'd like. I'm right at 275, so I'm ready to get it off of me. But anyway, they're doing a challenge, and it's, if you win the challenge, it's a 2-month challenge. If you win it, you get $200 plus 3 months, or yeah, 3 months free. So I'm determined, and I need to do it anyway. I need to get healthy. Driving this truck does not help at all. But anyway, so I'm gonna grab my coffee mug and Hawkins and Graves, Lynchburg, Virginia. Check them out. Anyway, I got my load for tomorrow. It's getting filled up now. The load, I got another load of sawdust to take. There's that red truck. Man, I like that truck, man, a lot. There's my truck. And there's the other red truck over there. This truck here, it's like a moose blood, and that's a more of a darker red, I guess. I don't know what the difference is. But anyway, I got a load of dust for in the morning. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna run bark over close to about 13-14 miles from here run that over and do that in the morning. And then after that, I don't know. The guy that drives that truck, usually he's been here about 27, 28 years or something, and it's really slow. So anyway, we'll figure out what we're gonna do tomorrow though after I'm done. I know I'll probably have to wait a little bit, but that's okay. It is what it is. That's the game that you play. And then come spring, it's gonna blow up and it's gonna be lumber going everywhere and trying to keep up, and you're not gonna be able to, and it gets crazy when that happens, when it breaks loose. But that's the winter months, so that's just what we deal with. All right, so you guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy, and like and comment, subscribe, whatever. I know I'm starting to get this, I'm trying to get this channel taken off, or trying to get this channel to take off a little bit. But anyway, it is just my life in a day, so to speak, what I do, and all of that. So anyway, we'll catch you guys later, and we'll see you again. See ya.